Hey guys, today's tutorial is going to be on this look. Obviously, I mean, what other look is it going to be over? I'm so excited. I love the way this turned out, and I'm using this new palette, my new baby. I'm in love. This is my newborn child. Let's just put it to sleep real quick. Anyways, I was heavily inspired by Nikki Tutorials after doing her. I tried following Nikki Tutorials tutorial, and she used this palette. This is the Magic palette by Juvias Place. It is freaking gorgeous. Definitely recommend it, and I'm only using it. This is my first time using it, and definitely recommend. I use these two shades out here. They look very like black on screen, but it's like a deep navy and a purple. Obsessed. These are the kinds of shades I'm obsessed with. And yeah, I created this look. It's kind of similar to that look, but kind of same, kind of different, you know. Pretty much every look that's out there is the same, but different shades. You know what I mean? This look is perfect for prom coming up. If you're wearing a navy dress, it's gonna look beautiful. If you're wearing a black dress, beautiful. Even if you're wearing like a white dress, like a white long dress, you can just play up your makeup by doing a bold eye like this. And of course, not limited to prom. It's perfect for girls' night out, a night out with the hubby, night out with your Sancho. You know, I ain't judging, girl, you do you. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I don't know why I say that. Like, obviously, you clicked on this video because you want to keep on watching. For this entire look, I'm going to be using the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. Oh my god, guys, I am obsessed. This is my first time using it, but literally obsessed. First, I'm going with the shade called Jahidi. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce these names right. But I'm going in with my MAC 217 brush, and we're going to be applying this into the crease and slowly smoking it out. And did I say it's going to be my transition shade? Yeah, that's going to be my transition shade. So I'm just gradually building it up, blending it out, building up, blending out, and in a few seconds you'll see how dark it's going to get. Now I'm going with my Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite crease brush, and I'm just really focusing this blue shade in the crease. So, oh, who's texting me? So I'm really deepening this up, and so like I said, we're, OMG, who keeps texting me? We're really building this up, blending. Right here I'm blending with my MAC 217. So you know the drill, build up, blend out. So I saw this clip and I was like, why am I pointing to the same shade I just used? But I'm not. I'm using the deep purple shade from this palette called Efi. Both of these shades are very dark. They look very black. So I'm going in with Efi on my Zoeva 231 brush and just really deepening up the crease. And then here I'm going with my MAC 217 brush that I used earlier and making sure that these shades are blending out, diffusing into one another, creating a beautiful child. So again, just taking my Zoeva 231 brush and deepening up this crease, and I'm gonna apply that purple Efi shade all over the lid as well because we are gonna create a halo eye. Now with any black shade that you may have in your collection, I'm gonna go back in with my Zoeva 231 brush. Using the same brush because, you know, ain't no one got time to be washing brushes, ain't no one got time to be switching brushes, you know, just ain't no one got time for that. I'm going to be applying this onto the outer corner and inner corner of the eye, and we're just going to blend out, pack on, blend out. So here you can see I'm using my MAC 217 to kind of help this shade blend out a little bit. Now onto the fun part. I'm using my concealer brush and some concealer, of course, and we're gonna start creating that halo eye effect. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer onto the center of my eyelid and just kind of slowly diffuse the concealer in with the shades. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm better at showing than explaining. So as you can see, I applied the concealer to the very center of my eyelid, and then I'm slowly but surely blending out the concealer with the eyeshadows to give that super gradient effect. I'm already going with this gold shade called Bronu, but first what I'm going to do is take my concealer brush and really make sure that these edges are blended out. So do that first and then apply the gold shadow just to the very edges where the concealer is meeting up with the blue and purple shadows. Now I'm going back in with my Zoeva 231 brush, and I'm going with the deep purple Eevee shade, and I'm really making sure that the gold is blending in with the purple and blue shadows. Now I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Super Shock shadow in the shade Cheap Date. This shadow is freaking gorgeous. I started off with a brush, but then it wasn't working out, and I do find that these brushes and highlighters from ColourPop work better with your fingers, so just kind of press this in to the very center of the lid, and then with a brush I'm going in and making sure that everything's just kind of blending together. So now I'm going to use a pencil brush in the purple shade called Eevee to really blend everything out. Just when you thought you were done blending, you thought wrong. So I'm really going to make sure that everything is blending together. As you can see, I'm kind of building up this purple into the gold. And since we're here already, let's just drag this purple shade onto the waterline and really build it up, creating a smoky bottom lash line. Now with my Sigma Duo Fiber brush, I'm going to brush this powder off, and I kind of had some trouble. This is a new powder that I'm trying, and it kind of gave me like the dry patch. But I'm not going to blame the powder just because I've been wearing this foundation all day long. This is probably like 10 hours of wear, so yeah, you're going to expect some funky things going on. So try not to leave your powder on too much, but by leaving some powder underneath your eyes after you do your foundation is very helpful, because if you get any shadow fallout, you can just wipe it off. So here I'm just trying to fix this mess that I created. And for the waterline, I'm going to take this NYX Faux White liner in the shade Baby Powder and just apply this in the waterline. And of course you can use a black. For the inner corner highlight, I'm taking this Physicians Formula Butter highlighter in the shade Champagne, and I'm just going to apply it into the inner corner of my eye and on the brow bone. For lashes, I'm taking these Ardell Foaming lashes in the style number 811, and we're just going to pop these on like lashes because, you know, they're lashes, and why am I talking about this process? And this is the finished look, guys. I paired it up with a nude lip just because this look is very bold, and a nude lip is just going to be the perfect lip combo for this. And yeah, like I said, perfect for prom. I can't stop looking at myself because I'm really loving it. I love that it's bold with the blue, but it's also very wearable at the same time because it's almost like a black smoky eye, but it's not. You know what I mean? Look at this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.